channel. My name is Aaliyah Zhané, where I do lifestyle, reaction videos, beauty, hair, and vlogs. So, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and like this video, help the algorithm, and I'll appreciate y'all so much. So today I will be doing a review on Savage X Fenty. Okay, you already know. Girl Riri did her thing for spring. Let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on, come on. So I got the spring outfits. Well, these are not outfits, honey. These are lingerie. Okay. So the first one is called, this is the floral bra. Let me just keep it simple. This bra is super cute. It has flowers at the top. It's mesh, see-through. Has gold on it. That's gold. Gold. Has 3 snaps. Has polka dots at the back. This bra is just so cute. It has the X right there. I love bras when they do cute stuff like that. This is cute. Then I got the matching panties. These are the high leg ones. Okay. Oh, these look big. I guess this is my size. It's a size medium. Anyways, yes, it has a cute X. And then that's the front. And then it has these at the end of it. Has the cute little X right there. Then I have a second set. This is cute color for spring. It's like a orangish yellow color. In between has blue, purple, like dark purple, light purple, turquoise. And this bra looks so comfortable. Just, I love comfortable stuff. It feels so soft. It's cotton material. Then I got the matching panties. Okay. These do look like they're my size. So So the other one should too. I like how the trim is. This is a nice trim. It's like cute lace, same color. The back is like that. It's just a cute little cheeks hang out type of vibe. And I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to see if this fits me. Cause these look huge, but they're called high rise type of panties. Yeah, they're supposed to be high rise. High leg. So I never had high leg bikini before. So this is my first time getting, wearing this. So I'm pretty sure it's my size, but it's just gonna go up to my waist. And so I'm definitely gonna see how that goes. So thank you so much if you stayed till the end. If you don't mind hitting the subscribe button down below and hitting the like button. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you and see y'all next time. Bye.